In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the TikTok recovery tool safely. So let's just get into the video. First things first, open your TikTok application. I'm just going to go ahead and log out of my account just to go ahead. So as you can see, when you've logged out of your account and when you click on the login, you're going to be welcomed by this page where all you want to do is click on the top left question mark icon. And now simply go ahead and click on recover your account. And this is going to be the tool that you're talking about. So click on enter a username or email and simply go ahead and search for your username right over here. Click on search. And as you can see, it will search for your username. You can either verify by your Google, or you could click on need help if you don't have access to any of that, and then click on submit a ticket for email support and then tell them your problem via this. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.